Sa iba pang balita, National Bureau of Investigation inihahanda na ang mga ebidensya para sa third batch ng kasong isasampa kaugnay ng pork barrel scam. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Noel Perfecto.
Niliwanag ni National Bureau of Investigation Director Virgilio Mendez na masusi nilang pinag-aaralan ang napakaraming mga dokumento, papeles at materyales na nasa kanilang pangangalaga upang makabuo ng matibay at matatag na kaso laban sa lahat ng mga personalidad at mambabatas na masasangkot sa kasong pandarambong at malversation.
As a matter of policy and as a matter of procedure, the NBI will ensure that the filing of the cases, the filing of the charges will be complete, will be thorough, and with sufficient evidence to establish probable cause. Talking here of voluminous record, documents to support these cases. So this is part of the efforts that we are doing now before the actual case records will be submitted to the Ombudsman for further investigation.
Sa isang eksklusibong panayam sa government television, ipinagdiinan ni Director Mendez na wala silang pinapangalanan ng mga katauhan at inihahayag na dami ng bilang ng mga masasangkot sa kaso na kinasasangkutan ni Janet Lim Napoles.
I cannot name names. It is not within my authority to disclose or divulge the names of the persons that we might recommend. It is all over in the newspapers, but I cannot confirm or deny.
One thing that's very important is that this will be based on evidences as per Directive on Personal.
Yes, but it's in line with the tasking that we have. We are not selective here. Based on the evidence that we gather, and if the evidence will point to anybody or anyone, then that will be he will be the subject of our recommendation.
Nang tanungin ng PTB4 si Director Mendez kung maisasampa na nila ang kaso laban sa ikatlong batch ng mga nadidiin na personalidad kasama ni Janet Lim Napoles, sinabi nito na mahaba-haba pa at matatagalan pa ang pagsusuri at investigasyon bago may patupad ang inaasahan ng lahat na pagsampa ng kaso.
Still a lot of work to be done, and I'm sure these people who might be recommended, they have all the time to submit also controverting evidence, counter affidavits during the conduct of the preliminary investigation to be conducted by the Office of the Ombudsman.
So ulitin ko lang sir, medyo matagal pa itong prosesong ito.
Matagal pa po.
Mahaba pa ito.
Mahaba pa po. Mahaba pa po. You can just imagine the first and the second batch, hindi pa nga na-resolve until today. Still ongoing.
Para sa telebisyon, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.